students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Now we will continue with our second chapter of science, that is where we live and what we wear. Okay students, so now we will see words to know of chapter number 2. So the first word is germs, tiny living things that causes diseases. Okay, germs are tiny living things that causes diseases. Okay, what is the second word? Ventilation. Ventilation is movement of fresh air inside our house. Inside a house or a building. Okay. The third word is circulates. Means moves continuously and freely in an area. So they are talking of circulates, means circulation. Circulation of what? Air. Yes. Then the next word is fibers. Fibers, threads from which a cloth is made. Here we have studied about different types of fibers. Okay, our clothes are made up of fibers. So, what are fibers? They are thread-like structure. Then the next word is natural. We have studied about natural fibers. So, what is natural? Natural is found in nature. The things which are found in nature are known as natural. Okay, the next word is felt. We have seen this word. What is the meaning of this word? A type of thick cloth made from wool. It is made up of wool. By pressing the fiber tightly. So, what happens is they press the wool and make a sheet out of wool. Then the next word is man-made. The word itself says the things which are made by men. So man-made means things which are made by men. Means we are making these things, so it is known as man-made. Then the next word is artificial or synthetic. We have studied about artificial and synthetic fibers. Okay. So the meaning is not found in nature but made by men. We have seen three names. They were man-made fibers, artificial fibers and synthetic fibers. Okay. Then the last word is waterproof. So what is the meaning of waterproof? Things that do not absorb water. So means waterproof means if we will wear waterproof clothes, that is the raincoat, it will not absorb water. Okay, now we will see the summary of the chapter, that is, let us recall. So we will recall the whole chapter one by one. Okay, so what is the first point? A house may be big or small, but it will be good to live in only if it is clean and gets proper sunlight and is free from germs. So we have seen these points that our house should be clean and it should get proper sunlight. The sunlight will kill the germs. Okay, now what is the second point? Living in a clean and well ventilated house will keep us healthy. So why we have to live in a clean and well ventilated house? To improve our health. If we will live in a clean and good ventilated house, our health will be good. Okay, now the third point. Clothes are made up of fibers. Yes, we have seen different types of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. So the clothes which we are wearing are made up of different types of fibers. Okay, now the next point. Fibers that are obtained from either plants or animals are called natural fibers. So we have seen two types of fibers, that is natural fibers and artificial fibers. So natural fibers were again of two types, plant fiber and animal fiber. Okay, so now next point. Man-made fibers are also called artificial or synthetic fibers. Yes, we have seen that man-made fibers are also known as artificial fibers and also known as synthetic fibers. Now, some materials such as rubber and plastic, do not allow water to pass through them and are called waterproof materials. Yes, we have studied about waterproof material, that they do not absorb water. So to prevent ourselves from water, we wear waterproof clothes. Now last point is, we should always wear clean and well ironed clothes. Yes, we should wash our clothes regularly and wear clean clothes, and we should also iron our clothes. Okay, now we will do the match the following of this chapter. So the first word is ventilation. Now we will see all the words in column B and try to match ventilation. So the first word is animal fiber. No. Then second is man-made material. No. Then circulation of air. Yes, ventilation is circulation of fresh air. So we will match ventilation with circulation of air. Now second word is cotton. So now again we will see cotton. The next word is, the words in column B we will see one by one. So first is animal fiber. Cotton is an animal fiber? No. Cotton is a man-made fiber? No. Cotton kills germs? No. Then plant fiber. Cotton is a plant fiber? Yes, cotton is a plant fiber. Now the next word is wool. So wool is an animal fiber? Yes. Why? Because we get wool from sheep. So we will match wool with animal fiber. Then the next word is raincoat. Okay, now man-made material. Raincoat is made by man? Yes, because it is waterproof. So we will match raincoat with man-made material. And the last word is sunlight. So sunlight kills germs. Yes, so we will match sunlight with kills germs. Because when sunlight will enter our house, it will kill the germs. Okay. So I hope you understood the match the following. So students, rest of the chapter we will continue in the next lecture. Till that, stay at home and stay healthy. Bye bye.